Let's first read all the spelling words and use them in a sentence. Ha. Ha. It was her, we all saw her. Fern. Fern. I want a fern in my garden. Girl. Girl. This girl likes pink dresses. Bird. Bird. This bluebird likes singing. Dirt. Dirt. We need dirt for the garden. Fur. Fur. His fur keeps him warm in the cold. Hurt. Hurt. He hurt his knee. Turn. Turn. They are waiting in a line for their turn on the slide. Burn. Burn. Please do not burn the trees. Lurk. Lurk. The parrot is lurking from behind the scroll. Now let's practice our spelling words. First, write it big in the air and make sure to start at the right place. Write as neatly as you can in the lines.